Hey guys, welcome back. Today I received a box. This is something that I've ordered and it's from Trim Healthy Mama. Now this company, I've been following along with their diets off and on through the years, and when I have followed along their diet, or I should say eating lifestyle, I do like the foods that are in their cookbook. When you order online, they have available stevias, baking blends, all kinds of stuff that you need for your new lifestyle journey. Even if you don't follow the Trim Healthy Mama cookbook and their diet or healthy living plan, you can apply it to whatever it is you want. They provide baking blends, stevias, their own stevia, all the things when you're starting a new healthy lifestyle eating, things that are hard for you to find at a store, they have them online. The prices are really great. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I received because I am starting a new healthy living. Well, I'm actually back to my old one. I've gained a lot of weight, especially being stuck at home, having these medical issues that I've been having till I get my last surgery. I also feel like that's causing me to gain weight as well. I'm very limited to the things that I can do, like exercise. I get tired a lot faster. So I do feel like, well, I'm gaining a lot more weight than I would like to admit. So it's time for me to get on board, start all over again, and get back to eating healthy. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you in the box what I ordered. Okay, so the box is packaged really well. One thing has already been taken out of the box because it's my daughter loves it. This is their stevia. This stevia, normally it comes with a little like scooper. I don't know if it'll be in here, but you just need a small amount in your cup, and I mean, it's so good. I like it. My daughter likes it, so she tends to use this rather than sugar. So this is like around $12, and this can last me forever. It seems like a little bit, but the amount, when you see the amount that we put in our drinks, I mean, this thing lasts me forever. I actually should have ordered two. I think I only ordered one. Okay, so this is their stevia. This is 0-calorie sweetener. It's a pure stevia. And then next I ordered just gluten. This is something that I add to a lot of my recipes. If you do follow the Trim Healthy Mama plan, you actually could find this in the store a lot cheaper. I'll put the prices on because I don't have a price list here, but I'll put the prices on my screen as I go. I just happen to know that this one was $12. But you can get this at a market, a small box, before you commit to a big pack, to see if it's something that you would use in your recipes. You could get one for like under $2, a little box before. I just want to have everything here. I don't want to search for things at the market, so I went ahead and ordered a few things to put in my meals. And there's actually a lot of things that I didn't order that I didn't think of, so I'll be making a second order as well. But this is the just gluten, and this comes in 1 pound bag. And then next we have the glucosamine. I always say that. They call it the Gucci fiber supplement. This is fiber. You can put it, I know if a lot of people on keto, they use this. So this is on here as well. This comes in a 1 pound bag as well. And right now with everything being closed, I wasn't even going to start to try to look for some of these things. I think the first time around, I tried to save a couple of dollars, and I went to Trader Joe's, different places, and I think I spent more money on gas. And that's why I decided this time I was just going to order everything through Trim Healthy Mama. Okay, now this is their super sweet blend. This is a little bit different than the other stevia. This is a sweet blend, twice the sweetness as other blends. This one's just another type of sugar for baking. So I have this one. The other one I showed you the first time, that I specifically put it in my drinks. So because I use it so much and I like to bake, a lot of the recipes, like cakes, stuff like that, is really healthy, and I have to have my sweets. So I made sure I bought 2 packs of this stuff. And then this is the famous stuff that I love. This is a baking blend, so this way you can make cakes. This is a flourless baking blend, so you can make your flourless cakes. So this is that's what this is. And there is a recipe, so you could make your own at home if you don't want to purchase this one. It calls for almond flour, I mean, there's a bunch of different things that go into it. So I have a couple of different recipes I'll put in so you can see which one you like. But I think it's so much easier just to buy the pack. I found that I had to go searching for all these different ingredients to make my baking blend. So I preferred just ordering it. So I made sure I ordered 2. I do have 2. And then I'll be making recipes so that you can see some of the recipes that from Trim Healthy Mama. And then this is my protein Y, especially good for my shakes. So this is the protein Y, and this is actually big. This is 16 ounces. And then the last thing is I ordered a new Trim Healthy Mama cookbook because I do have the old one and I just wanted more recipes. There's a lot more recipes added on here. So I went ahead and ordered the Trim Healthy Mama cookbook as well. So these are the things that I received today. Once again, I'm going to go ahead and when I do, I'm going to start up my Foodie Fridays again. It's been a while since I've done them, and I'm probably going to be focusing a lot on these recipes. So if you're interested in that, you can go ahead and make sure you check me out, especially on Fridays. If you, for some reason, want to look into Trim Healthy Mama a little bit more, I mean, this video is not sponsored. I'm doing it because this is something that I like. If you want to look into Trim Healthy Mama a little more, you can even go on Pinterest and look up Trim Healthy Mama recipes or food plans and everything beyond there as well. I'm not going to get into all the information on the diet because I'm just opening this box with you. If that's something you wanted, there's a lot of links that would tell you all the information you need to know about the diet. It worked for me and I was able to eat so many delicious meals without feeling deprived. So I do really like this, and it was a lot of stuff that the whole family can eat, and the recipes do adjust to everybody's diet or lifestyle. So that's basically all I'm going to give you on that. But these are the items that I received. This is everything. I'm ready to start my healthy eating lifestyle all over again. In case you're wondering, the first time I did it, I think I lost like 50 pounds. So I need to lose that again because I did gain it all back. So that's what I got. So this was just a quick little video today just to show you all the items I received. I just have to show you. Look at waffles. Yes, we get to eat waffles. I can't wait to dive into this book. I mean, look at some of these foods. Just the desserts. I'm in the dessert section. Okay, guys, so that's all I have for today. In the description below, I'm going to have a link to Trim Healthy Mama. This way you can check it out if you want. Once again, I'm not sponsored by them. I'm just sharing you the products because the products I really liked. And if you want information, because I'm still learning a lot of stuff, so if you want more information on how I use these products, once again, you can check them out as I make my recipes on my Foodie Friday. That's when I'll probably go in a little bit depth on what I'm using and why. If you want to have a healthy discussion in the description below, share recipes, whatever it is, give me some tricks and tips. If you've done Trim Healthy Mama, I always like to know. We're always learning, and that's about it. All right, guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. This way you don't miss any of my videos, and you can follow along with my fostering journey, because that's another thing. My foster daughter does not like to eat anything, and she does not eat healthy at all. So hopefully I can find recipes within these pages of the book that will help me sneak some good vitamins in her diet, because it's terrible right now. It's really terrible. All right, guys, as always, I love you, and I'll see you in the comments below. Have a blessed day.